Have you ever found yourself surrounded with intrusive thoughts? Like you would normally be walking on the road, and you come across a sewer hole. You think to yourself, what would happen if I fell in this hole? Or, have you ever found yourself thinking about negative thoughts and not being able to stop the train of thought? Doesn't it feel like a tap that keeps leaking, and there's just no way you can turn it off? Well, in that case, MindTribe has brought you a tutorial on distraction techniques that would help you get through such times. Hello, my name is Dr. Prerna Kohli. I am a clinical psychologist and the founder of MindTribe. At MindTribe, we provide affordable counseling services, workshops, support groups, and communities, along with an e-learning platform working towards improving mental health. Distraction techniques are valuable tools for managing and redirecting our attention away from unproductive or intrusive thoughts, emotions, or behaviors. It is simply any activity that you engage in to redirect your mind off your current emotions. Instead of putting all your energy into the upsetting emotion, you reset your attention to something else. When you distract yourself, you are able to manage your strong emotions by bringing your focus elsewhere. Distraction techniques can provide relief to individuals experiencing anxiety or overwhelming stress by redirecting their focus away from distressing thoughts. These techniques can also serve as a coping mechanism for those experiencing depression, helping them break negative thought patterns and engage in activities that uplift their mood. Teenagers and children can also benefit from these techniques to manage stress, anxiety to emotional challenges. People recovering from addiction or working on changing unhealthy habits can find distraction techniques helpful in managing cravings and staying on track. In this tutorial, we will look into distraction techniques that involve counterstimulation. Counterstimulation is a way of distracting the brain when it is sending stress signals. To do this, you block these signals by sending another loud signal to the brain using one of the 5 senses: touch, sight, sound, smell, and taste. We will look at sensory distraction techniques that you can include in your daily life. This technique involves focusing on sensory experiences to divert attention away from distressing thoughts. Try the following activities: surround yourself with visually pleasing objects or immerse yourself in beautiful scenery by looking at photos, artwork, or spending time outdoors. You can also try focusing on a single object you see, using color or texture. Try looking at a picture book or a photograph. You could also watch your pets play. Listen to calming music, nature sounds, or a favorite podcast that captivates your interest. Music has a powerful effect on emotions and can help shift your focus away from anxious thoughts. Apart from music, you could also try focusing on a single sound, like the sound of a guitar playing the background music of a song. Aromatherapy can also be used as a sensory distraction technique. Certain scents, such as lavender or chamomile, have soothing effects and can promote relaxation. Using essential oils or scented candles can help create a calming sensory experience. The use of essential oils in aromatherapy is not limited to inhalation. While inhaling the scent of essential oils is a common method, they can also be applied topically through massage or added to bath water. Each essential oil has its own unique properties and benefits. Some commonly used essential oils in aromatherapy include lavender, chamomile, and lemon. Lavender is often used for relaxation and to promote better sleep. Chamomile is known for its calming properties and can help reduce anxiety and stress. Lemon essential oil is known for its uplifting and energizing qualities. Engage in activities such as squeezing a stress ball, stroking a soft fabric, or practicing progressive muscle relaxation to shift your focus to physical sensations. Focus on how your skin feels, using temperature or pressure. You could try applying ice or heat packs. Use heavy objects like a weighted blanket. Play with something sticky or mess. Massage or push a pressure point with your fingers. Rub your hands together until you can feel the heat. Taste. Try focusing on a taste and feel it on your tongue. Suck on hard candies or mints, butterscotch, peppermint, or cinnamon. Let chocolate melt on your tongue. Try frozen or cold fruit, ice water, or ice cream. Eat tart or sour foods like lemons, limes, and apples. Apart from this, you can also enjoy a flavorful snack, sip on herbal tea, or try mindful eating by savoring each bite. Distraction techniques offer a practical and accessible way to manage distressing thoughts, emotions, or behaviors. By incorporating these techniques into your daily life, you can cultivate a greater sense of control, reduce anxiety, and enhance overall well-being. Experiment with various distraction techniques and identify the ones that resonate with you the most. The techniques should be used in conjunction with other appropriate coping strategies and therapies if needed. It's important to note that while distraction techniques can be beneficial for many individuals, they may not be suitable for everyone, and addressing underlying issues or seeking professional help may be necessary in some cases. Remember, distraction is a helpful tool, but addressing underlying issues may also be necessary for long-term well-being. This is Dr. Prerna Kohli. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, you might come and re-listen as and when you want to. I wish you the best of luck in all your future endeavors. Lastly, take care of yourself and stay blessed.